Okay, so head straight to your phone menu if you want to fix this problem. Now what you have to do is to search for 9news. So when you find 9news, use your finger to tap on it for some while. Now this is going to pop up. Tap on app info when it pop-ups. So when you tap on it, you're going to be around this place. Now tap on the full stop, then you tap on OK. Tap on notifications. Then now make sure the show notification is the good on. Go back, then now tap on permissions and make sure you accept or allow this permission, which is the location. Then for that, go back, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restrictions on other device. Now go back, make sure you tap on storage and cache, clear the cache, and you go back. When you come to the mobile data and Wi-Fi restriction, make sure this is toggled on here. So now go back. After doing all this, what you have to do is to go straight to your phone menu again and try to search for Google Play Store app. So when you search for Google Play Store app, try to search for the name of the app, which is 9news. Then you tap on the 9news and make sure you update your app. So after updating it, what you have to do is to tap on the power button for some more, then you tap on restart, and you tap on OK, or you tap on reboot. It's all the same thing. So after doing this, the problem is going to be fixed. See you in the next one. Don't forget to tap on the subscribe button, like, and also share this video.